like I said, I kind of want to just let it go for something different. And I know I'm saying that this out of frustration right now, and I might change my mind because I could do something totally different, but this is stupid, y'all. Stupid. What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and today we about to get up in this Impala and we gonna drive it. I'm super thirsty, y'all. I know I say this in every video, but like I've been sitting in the house all morning, just like, man, I want to drive something. I want to drive something. I want to drive something. And the Impala, I've been working on getting it to be road ready. Now the Impala is something that's more like a daily driver type car, you know what I'm saying? And oh man, dang, my paint is starting to fuck up there. But anyways, the Impala is more so like a daily driver type car, you know what I'm saying? Something that I'm not too worried about, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, not driving to take it to a parking lot or whatever, leave it there, you know what I'm saying? Not to say I want to leave my car anywhere, but I'm just saying, like, you know, the Elko, I'm not leaving it nowhere. You know what I'm saying? If I can't visibly see the car, I'm not leaving it there. I'm not going into the mall, you know what I'm saying, chilling and, you know, being MIA for 2 hours or whatever. If it's not going to a show or I'm not going to somebody's house where I can visibly see my car, I'm not going there. You know what I'm saying? Or if I'm not just cruising around or whatever, I'm not going there. Same thing with the Monte Carlo. It's going to be kind of like the same situation, but the Impala, it's a little bit of a different situation, man. Like, I'm not saying that I'm going to just jump into the mall or go to the mall and just leave my car in the parking lot all day or nothing like that. But I would be more willing to do it with the Impala. That's kind of like the philosophy that I have with this car. You know what I mean? It has so many blemishes, so many things going on with it that, you know, it just, you know, it needs to be done, you know what I'm saying, better, I guess I could say. Anyways, long story short, I've been sitting in the house just like, man, I want to drive something, but I want to drive something that's slide. Like the Elko is slide, you know what I'm saying? Like it needs a rear end or whatever, but it has plenty of power to feel like, yo, like this thing get up and go. Once it get up and go, it gets up and goes. The Monte Carlo will be the same situation. And then, you know, like I used to have my Camaro, which really, really was, you know what I'm saying? Like whatever, undefeated, I should say. And, you know, since I'm a driver and I drive fast, I like to drive fast. You know what I mean? I'm just yearning to feel some type of power. You know what I'm saying? Obviously the Elko's down, the Impala's a dog, the Monte Carlo's not ready. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I told you guys, I don't know, a few videos ago, I just kind of want something I can get in, hop in and drive and take to, you know what I'm saying, some of these meets and stuff like that, just have fun in. And currently I don't have that, but I do have the Impala and I have been trying to get the Impala ready to go. Like I said, it doesn't slide. It's not fast. It's none of that, but at least it's cool. You know what I'm saying? I can get in and go, you know? And the thing about it is, since that's what I want to do, I guess that's what I'm going to do. You know what I mean? Like I just been sitting there like, man, I want to drive something fun. The Impala's not necessarily fun, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, I want to, you know, take the Impala, go get some gas. My tags are outdated for almost 2 years, but whatever, man. We gonna rock it how we do. And, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we don't get banged by police or nothing like that, but it is what it is. You know, I'll just be like, yo, bro, I just got the car running, man. It's insured, got my license. So whatever. But anyways, man, before we jump into the video, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And hopefully we go there, no hiccups, get back, because the gas station kind of far, but you know what I mean? No hiccups, get back, and then we're good to go. So anyways, man, let me go ahead and open up this garage, get the Impala out, let it warm up for a little second, and then we'll be on our way. All right, y'all. It's a little bullshit like this that pisses me off. So, you know what I mean? Drove the car yesterday, charged up the car, got a bigger alternator so it could charge up these batteries a lot better. I don't know what is draining this fucking battery. It's pissing me off because, you know what I'm saying, there's no music in it. The car don't stay on. Everything turns off. I don't know what, and reasonably, I could say the code, but every other car I have, car starts right up. I hadn't driven the Elko for like a month. Starts right up. You know what I'm saying? Even in the Monte Carlo, you know, before, like it had been sitting and I could start the car right up, no problems, no issues. This one, on the other hand, this is another battery. Like, it's not like, you know what I'm saying, this is a bad battery. Like, I had the other battery in there, boom, same thing, would die. This new battery that I just put in here, it doesn't look new because, you know what I'm saying, of the dust, it was sitting on the shelf. This is the one that came out of, I think the Elko, one of it, or the truck, whatever. But regardless of the situation, this is a good battery. You know what I'm saying? And for whatever reason, this motherfucker keep dying. I don't know why, but this is the type of shit that keeps me wanting to, like, be having me wanting to get rid of it or trade it for something different, because, you know what I mean? Like I said, I just drove this yesterday, just charged it up yesterday, just jumped it yesterday, cut the car off, started it right back up, and now it's just right back dead. So I don't know if it's not getting charged up enough because I'm not driving it enough, but even still, it shouldn't die that fast. You know what I mean? Like, it's, you know, it's reading good voltage in there when I, you know, start the car up. It's reading about 14 volts or whatever. And this thing just, I don't know what's draining the battery. It don't have no sounds in it. The lights don't turn on, or the lights turn off, whatever. But at the end of the day, I don't know, man. I don't know, but I came out here, I was geeked, ready to hop in the car and go, and here we go. You know what I'm saying? Another fucking problem. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all can hear the frustration in my voice, and I don't mean to curse or nothing like that, but like, at the end of the day, bro, like, this is annoying. Like, I don't even feel like I even want to put nothing into this. I feel like I want to sell this shit, actually sell it or trade it for something else, because this is stupid. Like, this is stupid. This is stupid as hell. You know what I'm saying? And now I don't even want to go to the gas station, because if I go to the gas station, it's just gonna, you know what I'm saying, and it die at the gas station, then what? Like I said, I don't have a jump box. So, I mean, it's a good car. It's a good motor. Everything's solid on it. But it's like, man, I keep putting money into this thing, and it just don't want to fuck with me, man. Like, come on. Like, I don't know, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I know a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying, would love for me to keep this car, but man, like, every single time I feel like I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, hop in and go and do what I need to do, it just, you know what I'm saying, like, hit me right back into reality. And y'all might think the battery's not that big of an issue, and it's not, but every time I come out here, man, to try to start this car, it dies. Like, bruh, what in the world? And I can't drive this thing every single day. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I want it to be my daily, but I don't drive every day. And I'm not gonna come out here and try to start this car every day just so it doesn't die. Like, it's stupid. I don't know, man. Uh, so, I guess I'll let it charge up, and, like I said, I would jump it, but, you know what I'm saying, it wouldn't make sense to jump the car and then go to the gas station and get stuck. Like, it's stupid. I don't know what's wrong with this car to where, you know what I'm saying, like, every single time I come out here, this mug is just dead every single time. And I could put the battery from the Elko in here again, but I don't want to do that. It's just extra work that I got to do just to hop in the car and go. And like y'all heard me say, like, I just want to get in the car and drive. Turn the key and drive some shit. Like, that's all I want to do, man. That's all I want to do. I don't want to have to come up here, pop the hood, mess with the battery, mess with something else, check the fluids, do all this other stuff. I do that with the Elko, man. I don't want to do that with this. I want to just hop in the car and get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? But for whatever reason, I don't know if it's the lights. I don't know what it is, but something is draining this battery to where every single time, and it's always been a problem with this car. Always, always, always. So I don't know, man, because I've replaced this battery multiple times. I've had new batteries in here and had to replace it. You know what I'm saying? Like, this would be probably like the fourth battery in this car, and I haven't even driven this shit. You know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know, bro, but, that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying, is massively frustrating. And then I come out here to try to fix all the little things on here so that it's presentable to drive somewhere. But yeah, man, I don't know. Like, I don't want to have to keep it on the trickle charger all the time and all that. It just is what it is. But we got to figure this out, or else this is on the chopping block. Like, I'm over it, man. Like, I'm over it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't even want to deal with it no more. It's a real clean car. You know what I mean? But, like, little stuff like this be having me wanting to sell this motherfucker, man. Like, like I said, bro, it's a real clean car. I would love to keep it and whatever, and I'm trying to do the little things that I can to make it feel like whatever. But like I said, I'm a driver. All I want to do is drive my car, and I'm a, you know what I'm saying, I like fast shit, and this thing is a dog. Like, I don't, that ain't, yeah, I don't know, man. Like I said, y'all can hear the frustration in my voice, and now, like, I don't even want to go to the gas station, so it is what it is. I plan to come out here and make a different video for y'all, but this is massively frustrating, yo. Like, the homie been in my ear about buying this for a minute now, and I don't know, man. Like I said, I kind of want to just let it go for something different. And I know I'm saying that this out of frustration right now, and I might change my mind because I could do something totally different, but this is stupid, y'all. Stupid. All right, y'all, man. Like I said, well, I had planned to come out here and make a different video for y'all, but unfortunately, again, the Impala has failed me again. And I've had this car since 2019, man. So almost 6 years. And I've never had it to emissions. I've never, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've never gotten it to where it needs to be. It even took a piece of my finger, man. Man, I know y'all could see and hear my frustration, man. This car, I don't know what's wrong with it, yo. Like, and like I said, it's a simple battery, right? It's a simple battery, and I know a lot of y'all probably like, yo, just change the battery or whatever. It doesn't even matter. But every single time I try to do something with this car, something is wrong. Like I said, man, this power steering just sprung a huge leak out of nowhere. Obviously, from probably not driving, all that kind of stuff. I changed the alternator. I'm like, yep, bet we good. Power steering leak. You know what I'm saying? Like, and then I'm like, all right, bet we good. Exhaust leak. Homie done butchered the exhaust. I don't know if this car is just bad luck or what, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I've replaced every single thing on this car. Brakes, brake master cylinder, the OptiSpark, you know what I'm saying, the battery multiple times, and I don't even drive the car. Now the alternator, the water pump, the whole suspension is new. It's all QA1 stuff. You know what I'm saying? I've obviously painted the car. I've done everything to this car, man, to try to get this shit out of the garage. And for whatever reason, this thing just does not want to leave the garage, yo. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not like it's fun to drive. You know what I'm saying? It's cool to drive, but it's not like it's fun to drive. It's a dog. It whatever. You know what I mean? Like, and I don't want to go through the whole rebuild process and do all that other extra stuff and have another car just sitting here not doing anything. Like, I don't. I know y'all can hear the frustration in my voice, man. Like, this is nuts. Like, I don't understand what the hell is going on with this car, but this is massively frustrating, man. Like, the car has literally been sitting for 6 years almost. Literally almost 6 years. And me just working on it here and there when I can. Because, you know, obviously I've prioritized the Elko, and now I'm kind of prioritizing the Monte Carlo. And maybe she's just jealous. I don't know, man. But, you know, it's just every single time, like, I've, you know, like, you know, I got the car out one time, and the caliper bolt somehow backed out. Don't know how it backed out, because I don't, like I said, once again, I don't even drive the car. Caliper bolt done backed out. And then, you know what I'm saying, I started hearing this like clunking noise, and you know what I'm saying, I discovered that it was the caliper bolt. You know what I'm saying? Again, driving, and one time I was driving, and I don't know if just the car was too low or whatever, but the sway bar link kit popped out of, you know what I'm saying, like, I don't know how the nut came off of the sway bar link kit, but I hear this big bang under the car, and then, you know what I'm saying, like, I stopped the car, and I find my sway bar link kit all over the ground. You know what I'm saying? That was my last setup. After I got the coilovers, the upper and lower control arms and all that. And I'm trying my best, man, to make this a nice car. Like, the interior is nice. I done fixed all the little things that were done in the interior. I still got to do a little bit more. I done put the emblems on it. I done painted it. I done did everything that I needed to do. I was going to do some wheels on it, but I don't want to go get some wheels for this car, man, and then I can't even drive it. It's just sitting here, you know what I'm saying, like a garage ornament. Like I said, man, I am massively frustrated with this car, man. I'm trying to do everything I can to make her nice and make her, you know what I'm saying, like what she needs to be done. But I mean, I don't know, y'all. Like, I've changed the fuel pump, fuel filter. You know what I'm saying? The damn thing still cuts off. I don't know. Ignition, the spark plug wires have been changed. All the spark plugs have been changed. The ignition coil has been changed. New filters, new everything. Everything on this damn car is new, y'all. For whatever reason, it just doesn't want to get out of the garage. But I'm not going to have this thing sit here taking up space. It takes up way too much space in this garage for it to just be sitting here. And I know, like, a lot of y'all are going to say keep it and all that kind of stuff. But boy, oh boy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want something that's going to be fun. I want something that's going to be fun. I want something that's going to be reliable. You know what I'm saying? I love the Impala. It's dope. It's a solid car. But at the end of the day, like, if it's not going to rock with me, I'm not going to just have it just sitting here. Like, it's stupid. I've done so much to this car. You know what I'm saying? If you guys have been following me for a while, or even if you guys go back in the videos, you can see what it used to look like compared to what it looks like now. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like, dude, like, what do you need in order to drive? And, you know what I'm saying, this doesn't inspire any confidence that I can go anywhere and, you know what I'm saying, just, you know, have the car, whatever. Like, it doesn't inspire no confidence at all. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, y'all might just say it's just a battery, but every single time I want to do something in this car, I have an issue with it. I just don't know what it is, man. I don't know what it is, but whatever, man. I'm over it. I wanted to get this thing right for the summer, but I think I'm cool, man. I'm going to just focus 100% on the Monte Carlo, you know what I'm saying, on the wife's car. And then when she's not driving it, I'll just drive it. And then, you know what I'm saying, I think I'll just focus on the Elko. And then I might even put this up for trade. I don't know. There's something that I really would like to have. It's another project, and it would take a lot of work. But for what I think I can get for this, plus, you know what I'm saying, like, you know, I could probably build that other car and, you know, have a nice, solid LS power car that's going to be fast, fun. I'm not putting no more money into it and whatever. But the plans for the Impala have completely changed, man. Until I could 100% know that this is going to be reliable, I'm not doing nothing else to this car, man. Like, it's got to be reliable for me to drive it. Like, I'm not about to go throw wheels on it, whatever. I did want to do that because, you know, I wanted to switch these wheels up and get them out of here, but I'm not going to have no paperweight. This car is not going to just be sitting here, like, with nice wheels on it, because if I can't even take it out the garage and go nowhere with them, what the hell I got some, you know what I'm saying, $6,000 wheels on the damn car for if I can't even drive it, you know what I'm saying? And I know I'm cursing a lot, y'all, and I'm sorry, but I'm mad frustrated because, like I said, I was sitting in the crib, like, yo, I'm about to get out and, you know what I'm saying, like, you know, just drive the car, go get some gas because it needs some gas or whatever, and, you know what I'm saying, it does this shit. Like I said, I just drove the car yesterday, just jumped it yesterday. That's a good battery in the car. I switched the batteries out, and it still dies. I don't know what's going on. There's no lights on in the car. There's no music. There's no nothing. You don't hear anything. The car's not on. There's nothing. I don't know what is going on, but this is driving me insane. So I think, yeah, man, I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see. It could stay, but my plans have changed with the wheels. I'm not going to do the wheels no more. I'm not going to do the wheels no more. I'd rather go get another car that's going to be solid and whatever. But I have to make sure that this is reliable before any of that happens. But anyways, man, I apologize for the frustration. I usually don't get on here and be frustrated and all that kind of stuff, but I'm tired. I am tired of this car. I'm not going to hold you. I'm tired of it. But anyways, man, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Man, always remember, work hard so you can live free.